Hello folks, it's Phil, Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a 2010 Dream Coach raised roof trailer. It is 8 wide, 10-foot short wall, 3 horse, all aluminum. Let's get the raised bunk. This trailer is really nice. Ain't all banged and beat up. It's optioned out well. Got a ramp, composite flooring, stud stall lined and insulated with mangers, rear collapsible tack. Got a new awning on it. Drops on the head side. It's got a really nice interior in it. Got a 6 cubic foot fridge with pantries on the side of it. It's all hardwood trailer. Double sink, microwave. Soft touch leather walls and ceilings. So you got this raised bunk area that makes it really tall up there. You can sit straight up in bed. TV on a swing arm. Got a dinette next to the drop wall. Full bathroom, stool, hanging closet, nice big corner enclosure shower. Pocket door going into the bathroom. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.